most active. Another outstanding, Carlitos Vince L. Iniva, outstanding junior. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Virgil U. Iniva, having an award as Best in Alphabet, Best in Arts, Best in Math, Best in Writing, and Most Dependable. Trixie B. Adonis, Best in Writing and Most Helpful. Kate Ashley A. Fronda, outstanding junior. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Raul Fronda, having an award as Best in Alphabet, Best in Math, and Most Helpful. Brent Jeffrey T. Acorda, special mention, junior. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jeffrey S. Acorda, having an award as Best in Alphabet, Best in Math, Most Courteous. Gian Albert and Gian Alfred S. Cayetano, special mention. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ryan D. Cayetano, having an award as Best in Math and Most Neat. Preschoolers with exemplary attitudes and values for junior. Mike Gerald S. Ayap. Mike Gerald S. Ayap, most generous. Jeriel D. Baradi, most cheerful. Anthony R. Eugenio, most thrifty. Archie A. Fronda, most behaved. Mark Alan D. Javier, most behaved. Mario A. Jaime Jr., most thrifty. Joros B. Ramirez, honor roll for academic excellence, school year 2011-2012, senior level. Jam Denver F. Bernabe, most outstanding senior. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Gerson P. Bernabe, having an award as Best in Math, Best in Reading, Best in Writing, and Most Active. Leonor P. Carino, most outstanding senior. Parents, Mrs. Amelia G. Carino. Leonor deserves the Best in Arts, Best in Alphabet, Best in Reading, Best in Writing, and Most Active. Josh Christie A. Kiambao, most outstanding senior. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Judy Kiambao. Josh Christie deserves the Best in Arts, Best in Math, Best in Reading, Best in Writing, and Most Active. Another outstanding for senior, Chidrick Rom M. Senas. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Roman M. Senas Jr. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Roman Senas Jr. Chidrick, Best in Math, Best in Reading, Best in Writing, and Most Active.